Hey guys, Shiny Hunters here, and today we are going to do our first booster box opening on the channel. I was hoping to do something with Pokemon, but honestly, sucker for Battles of Legend, Monster Mash is also always cool, so we're going to do this, see what we can pull out of here. It took me a while too, because I was like, okay, well if I'm going to do Yu-Gi-Oh, it's got to at least have some kind of return, right? Which... this one seems to have some better pulls in it for Yu-Gi-Oh! Which it's been a while since I've really opened a lot of Yu-Gi-Oh! Definitely very interested in this. Oh, if I can get it open. Yeah, there we go. It was a cheaper one too. I think it was only like 50. So not bad. Yeah, look at all them packs. Alright. See what we can get. Which, honestly, I don't even know. Well, no, I see that one. Dark Magician. I know Dark Magician. It's about as far as I've kept up as of late. I also don't know if there's a trick or anything with these. But, ooh, Odd Eyes. Oh, what do you know? Pull Dark Magician the Dragon Knight that quick. That's funny. It's actually really, really beautiful too. So I'm not too mad about that. But I want to say there will probably be a 25th anniversary version of it, so that's probably the card we're going for, I feel like, with anything in here. Ooh, Link Decoder. Protection of the Elements. Book of the Eclipse. Baby Spider. Patapon. These are actually some really cute cards too, which is kind of another reason I wanted to do this booster box. I just saw that there was some really cute art, not to mention, look at these, dude. Oh, it's the Karibo. Put him out. Which, I really need to go back through the list. Oh, that's cute. And see what I'm supposed to be looking for. Because no, I gave it a quick glance and I was just like, yeah, that looks great. Ooh, Queen Tiramisu. I thought some of these might have the little 25th anniversary symbol at the bottom. Or maybe that's like a specific pull. It has been a while since I've opened a booster box. Oops. I don't even know if you're guaranteed anything in these. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it kind of makes me want to make a reptile deck. I was just looking at everything in the card list. And I mean, dude, Monster Mash? Like, yes. Out of everything for Yu-Gi-Oh! Oh, another Book of the Eclipse. Oh, keep going. Got 24 of these. See if there's anything cool in them. Oh, look at that Dark Hole. I always reprint Dark Hole and somehow it gets prettier every single time. I have sleeves too, don't worry. These are all not just not going to get sleeved. They probably will all get sleeved. Oh, Ogre Dance. I can barely even read that one. I'm loving this card though, oh my gosh. Super Polymerization. Oh, it's actually pretty neat. Some of the art with some of the stuff they do is still pretty cool. Oh, it's cool. And then other times it just seems like it's so much, too much. Oh, that's pretty cool. So far we've gotten a pretty like neat selection, at least, of whatever rarity this is. I'll have to look into it. The other issue with Yu-Gi-Oh! Is the rarities are always just crazy. It seems to change set to set anymore. Which, I mean, Pokemon's pretty similar too. Oh, that's pretty cool. But it seems to be more like per generation they change the rarity styles. I'm still loving this little guy on the front. I don't know who he is, but he is so cool. Oh, that's pretty neat. Junk Archer. Oh, Cattycorn. Ah, I could have guessed that name. Oh my gosh, Cattycorn. That's so cute. I think he's going to become my new favorite mascot. Might have to find a place to put him. No, I'm still confused, I guess, on some of the rarities and what we're going for in this set. But it is a short print set too, because it's only 5 a pack, right? Ooh, that's pretty cool. I don't know. Yu-Gi-Oh! Is always so hard to figure out. Kind of surprised we've only seen one Dragon Knight though. Thought that might be a little bit of a harder card to find. Oh, there's the Dark Arm Dragon though. That was another reason I wanted to pull some of this set. Oh, that doesn't go there. Saw that Dark Arm Dragon in here and I was like, oh, yes. I want you. So if we can get one with the pretty shatter foil for the Dark Arm, I think that might be one of the chase cards. I want to say, oh, Thunder Discharge. That's pretty neat. Rocket Coda. Huh. Forgot there were Black Wings in this set. Which on Black Wings, I'm still surprised those are around. Oh my gosh, I was playing in tournaments when those came out. Yeah, another Barakaribo. Oh, there's the Draco Berserker again. Bento. And another Black Wing. Oh, we're almost to the end. I was wondering how long this video would be, to be honest. Because they were smaller packs. Oh, look at that. That's also beautiful. Another card I was kind of hoping to pull out of this. So actually, that's 3. I'm not mad. Those are the 3 that I was kind of going for. Oh, that's pretty. Ghost Fusion. Oh, another one we haven't seen yet. I give it that. This box has been pretty lit just on quantity. Is that what I'm going for there? Quantity. Just in how many different cards that we're seeing. Ooh. Heralds too. I'm still surprised about Heralds. So I feel like they came out about the same time as the Blackwing set. Let's grab the rest of them out of there. We're down to the last 4. And I really thought there was supposed to be 25th anniversary marking on some of these. Oh my gosh. Look at all that wording. Oh wait, and he's the 12 star too. I saw him when I was looking through the listing. Good lord. Alright. Ghost Wyvern. Ooh, a dragon. I'll take that. Ah, another one of those. Take that. Catty corn. Starting to get the pile of cards that I actually wanted to pull out of this set. So I'm actually really happy with this. I don't duel as much. Oh, we didn't get that Perform Pal yet, I don't think. But it's still nice to collect the cards. What's gonna be in this one? Oh, Gen Buster. Ooh, Armneos. Okay, okay. So the only thing I haven't seen then that I wanted to see was Dark Arm Dragon. Well, as the, with that special print. But that's okay, we still pulled a Dark Arm Dragon. Oh, Golden Rule. Still getting cards. Sorry, at some point I started just putting everything there. Alright, well, I'm not mad. We got quite a few good ones. I think my favorite out of all of them is probably going to be Elemental Hero. I mean, look at that. That is just sick. Alright, y'all have a good weekend.